In this video, we want to talk about Trump media, and the stock was up on Monday roughly 20%, as many prediction markets and gambling sites are betting that Donald Trump wins the presidential election. On top of that, his platform that he owns roughly 50% in also launched Truth Plus, which is a streaming app. So let's get into the price action. As you can see from the daily chart, price was oversold. Let's start with the monthly chart. And you had what the makings of a rally candle, basing candle, and a rally out. However, because of all this price action to the left, it's the reason why price did not stop but just pierced the zone on the bottom side before moving higher. Zooming down to the weekly chart, and I typically like to use confluence when trading. So in this case, as a setup and as an example, you have this monthly buy level, but I'm looking for some other confirmation. You have this hammer candle, and then you get a close above this downtrend line. So two ways to trade this. You can go long on that hammer candle, or you can go long on a closing candle above this downtrend line. Now getting into the daily chart, if you were conservative, this is the most recent pivot high. So you had lower lows, lower highs, lower low, and then you had a break above the most recent pivot high. But by this time, price has already left the zone, and you're paying less of a discount for it. All right, let's get into the news. So in the past week, bets on the presidential election outcome hosted by contract market, Kalshi, and prediction trading platforms Polymarket and Predict, it all showed the odds of a Trump victory growing. Analysts have long suggested that many of Trump media's retail investors are fans of the former president, and they are buying and selling the stock as a way to support him or bet on his odds of retaking the White House. Now, Trump owns nearly 57% of the company, which around $3.4 billion at Monday's closing price. However, he has vowed not to sell his stake, which currently makes up more than half of his on-paper net worth. Meanwhile, Trump media on Monday morning announced the launch of a separate website for its in-platform streaming service, Truth Plus. While some version of Truth Plus already exists on Truth Social, the new site offers the full range of the company's streaming platform, Trump media said in a press release. Now, getting back to the charts, we have a couple of levels of interest. We have a weekly or daily buy level, and then we have another rally up, gap higher. That will be another daily buy level, all nested within this monthly support resistance band at $24. So where's price heading next? There's really nothing stopping price from getting up to the $45, $48 level. That's where you have resistance, sellers taking control, which caused the stock to move down several times. Scrolling down to the 4-hour chart, you can see how price gets rejected at this band at $55. Not once, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, but 5 different times. Now, looking at the price action on the 4-hour chart, that $36 level will be my next target. Why? You had this drop in price, basing candles, and then the drop lower. Let me know what you think. Is Trump Media a buy, hold, or sell? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.